The benefit of having a full service law firm for an entrepreneur is this. There are so many different aspects to building your small business that you may not even be aware of. And I look at it as this. Our ideal client is somebody who they have an idea, they have an invention. You invent a widget in your garage over the weekend. How do you take this widget and turn it into a multi-million-dollar business? This is what we work with you on. First of all, is this something that's patentable? We have to make sure that the intellectual property is protected so nobody else copies it. We have to figure out what's the best corporate structure for you to set up with this. Do you have other partners? Let's make sure that the agreements are set up the right way to prevent disagreements down the road. How are you going to fund this thing? Is it something where you're going to do it through a loan? Are you going to get investors in it? All of those things have to be properly papered with contracts and agreements. We have worked with clients before to help them to get funding, whether through venture capital, whether through loans. And so some clients, they come to us and they say, hey, I have this idea. This is what I want to do with it. I don't even know how to fund this. We've worked with them to get them the funding, not only to fund their idea, but obviously to pay for the legal services as well. And then we work with them as they grow. And so at a certain point, you're going to take on employees. So you need employment policies. At a certain point, if you're going to be manufacturing something, you need to get some commercial real estate. So we work on that. Depending on where you're going to be selling this thing, whether it's an internet-based business, if it's a government contract, there are different benefits to locating your business in different areas. In fact, if you go to certain areas that have high unemployment, you can get grant money from the government to create jobs. So we work with clients on all these different things. There are some attorneys that have, the mindset of just trying to get every penny from the client as to this one small matter. Our mindset is a little bit different. We want you to grow. We want you to be successful. We want to work with you and be fair as you take this idea and grow it into a big, thriving business that we are going to then have a lifelong relationship with you as handling all the legal matters, not only to grow it, but to maintain it and to continue to make this the best business that you can make it. And to do that, you really do need a wide variety of legal expertise, from intellectual property, corporate, sometimes litigation if things go wrong. And that's why we've built this entirely comprehensive team of all the different practice areas that you could possibly need throughout the lifetime of your business, so that you can get everything all under one virtual roof.